So, Grim, you're in the bottom left. Grant, you're top right, left. Seraphine,
Yep.
you're bottom right. Each turn you make is D20, and you can move that many spaces.
Okay.
Oh. One. Oh shit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh my god. What was that noise?
I don't know.
6.
Oh my god, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away.
Shut up!
You move.
7. 9. 10.